Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you are well. So, yesterday I discussed with you about the computer, what is computer, and full form of computer, and how does the work. Okay, student. So, you revise the topic yesterday at your home. So computer is a electronic device. Yes, clear to all. And after full form, so full form, C for commonly, O for operate, and M for multiple, and machine, sorry, and P for particularly, U for use, and T for trade, and E for education, and R for research. Clear to all? Good. So I will discuss with you how does a computer work. So working process of computer, working process of computer. Yes, yesterday did you read? So you know how? Yes. So that's IPO system. So you know what's the IPO system? Input, process, and output. This is a step of working. Okay. So and that what is input? So that's data entered by user. So that's called data entered by user. Okay, student? And which device help to us enter the data in computer? Yes, by keyboard. Okay, student? And then after process. So process working on the data or instruction given by the user. Okay, student? Suppose you entered the any text, any number by the keyboard. So that number goes to process. Okay? And you know process machine is called CPU. So this is a processing in CPU, and this is a brain of computer. Yes, student. Okay. So CPU, central processing unit. This is a brain of the computer. Okay, student. And then after we get the result as a output. Clear? So that we get output on different output devices like monitor, printer, okay, etc. Yes. So this is a, let's understand the working of a computer. Input, process, output. So what is input? So input data or instruction that you entered or fed into the computer is called input. Yes. Data. So what is data? So data means you just type any alphabet A, any number 1, 2, 3. So you type anything. Just you type your name, you just type it like a sentence. This is an apple. Okay, excuse me. So this is a data. So data are instruction that you enter or feed into the computer is called input. Yes, and data can be entered through different input devices like keyboard, mouse, and keyboard, mouse, and scanner, etc. So this is a input device, and then after process. So the different steps followed by a computer to convert the data into meaningful information is called processing. So the processing is performed by CPU, and CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU full form, student, Central Processing Unit. Okay. So you are reading the topic, so where stored in your mind. Yes. So same thing with computer. You type any type data and you make any type document, so stored in CPU. Okay, and that output. So output is the result you get after processing. So you get output on different output devices like monitor and printer. Okay, so you are familiar with monitor and mouse, keyboard, CPU. Okay, so monitor just like a TV screen. Okay, student, and then after I will talking about the storage device. After getting the result as an output, we can store it on different storage devices. So for future uses, so like hard disk and floppy disk, CD-ROM and pen drive, etc. Okay, student. So you know pen drive. So mostly student use that nowadays. Yes, and then after I will talking about the what makes a computer powerful. What make a computer powerful? Yes. So student, the computer are great importance in each and every field of life today. So there are some characteristics that make the computer powerful. So the characteristics of a computer are, first speed, and the second is reliability. Okay, so that means, and third is diligence. And fourth is storage. And fifth, communication. communication, and 6 is versatility. Versatility. Okay, so 6 points make a powerful. Okay, so first I will talking about the what is speed. So the working speed of computer is very fast. Okay, and it can process a large amount of data very quickly. Okay, student, and I will give you some multiple. 223 into 723. So you will take some time, but computer have no any type matter. So okay, so computer have a most powerful speed. So and then reliability. So that means we can completely rely on computer as it never makes mistake if instructions are given accurately. So and always gives accurate result. Okay, yes, suppose I will asking to you 223 into 444 is equal to same question I am asking to you many times, 4 times, 10 times. So you are will be mistake, but computer does not that type mistake. Okay, student, and then after diligence. So diligence, a computer is able to perform a particular job number of time again and again very efficiently without getting tired of bored. Okay, yes, I just asked to you कि one question asking to you many times, 10 times, 20 times. So what asking to you, sir? And same question asking to many times. But computer, no any getting tired or bored. Okay, and storage. So a computer has a large storage capacity, so that it can store large amount of data that can be accessed and retrieved whenever needed. Okay, student, and then after communication. So communication, today the computer has become the most powerful communicating device. Okay, so we can communicate over any corner of the world. Internet sitting at one place on a computer. Yes, you know about the Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger. Yes, so this is communication. And versatility, a computer is a versatility machine. It can perform a number of jobs at different places for different purposes. Okay, student, and your next topic, uses of computer. So uses of computers. So first, you know that computer is an electronic device, so which can do different tasks, and it is not like other electronic device which only can do single task like DVD players, digital cameras, and storage, etc. So first, creating document. For users, create a document, and second is perform calculations. Performs calculations, and third, chatting. and 4 playing media. And the 5th playing games. So here are many uses of computer, student. Yes, that's depend on what's my requirements. Okay, so this is simple way we can say that is useful for in this field. Create a document and performs calculation and chatting, playing media and playing game. So you know what is create document. So computer can be used to create letters, resume, report, okay, etc. So this is a different type create a document in a computer. So that's and you know chatting, about the chatting and calculation. So you used already the chatting. You used already WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. So this is a chatting way and chatting apps something. So and last your topic is etiquette. Okay, so that etiquettes So what is etiquette? So that computer is an electronic machine. So we have handle. It is very delicately and with proper care. So to take care of our computer, so we should follow some rules in the computer lab or computer. Okay. So first, always press the key of keyboard very gently. Okay, so press the keyboard key very gently. Okay, students? Yes, not push the hard finger. Okay, no, never. Okay, so press the keyboard by board key very gently. And second, don't keep eatables, okay, or water near the computer. Okay, so don't eatable and water. Okay, and third, don't touch the wire. Do not touch the wire. And fourth, the last, always keep the mouse on the mouse pad. Okay, so use the mouse pad always. And fifth, the always all straight will working on the computer. So that's talking about the sitting style. Okay, yes, so straight sit in that. Okay, students, so here are 5 things etiquettes. This is a safety for the computer and safety for the us. Okay, so just revise the chapter again today, and in next video I will discuss about the computer question answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching.